welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sign out a YouTube account from other devices. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to the bottom right, tap on your profile. Now at the top, you have here Google account. Just tap on it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead over to security and sign in. Right here, just tap on it. Now scroll down and find your devices right here at the very bottom. Okay, so what you'll do is just tap on manage all devices. Okay. Now just go ahead and select the device you wanted to sign out from. For example, this Android device right here, I'm going to tap on it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, make sure to verify that it's you. Now just go ahead and tap on sign out. Okay. Tap on it, tap on sign out. Now do the same with the other devices right here. All right. Tap on it. Sign out. Sign out. Just do the same thing, okay, to other devices. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.